What's up YouTubers? My name is Raymond and welcome to another edition of my tutorial series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add transitions in your Adobe Premiere Pro. Transitions can help your videos to look more polished, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. The first step is to import your videos into your Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you have your videos, you can start adding transitions between your clips. I made a video on how to import your clips into Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you missed those videos, I'll try and leave a link to those videos in the description below. Before we go to our second step, let me play this clip that I have right here. So this right here, it's also a transition because the video transits from this shot to the other, only that it is a jump cut. But you cannot underestimate a jump cut. It's very important. A jump cut can be used in a very creative way, okay? So in this case, we don't want to use the jump cut. What you need to do next is to come to the middle of your clips, you right click, you see add default transition, you click on it, and there you go. Sweet. All right, but what if we don't want that cross dissolve transition? What you need to do next is to come to your project panel right here. You see these two arrows, you click on it, then you navigate your effects. You click on effect, you see right here video transitions. You see a bunch of folders right here, but we're not going to be focusing on all of them right now. We also have audio transitions as well, but for the purpose of this video, we'll be talking about only the video transition. You open your folder. Now you also have a bunch of different types of transitions to choose from, such as dissolve, wipe, zoom, and all the rest. So let me show you an example. Let's open this and probably pick one of these two transitions. What you need to do is to click and drag to the center of your clips, then you let go. Now if you play it, there's a transition there. What if we don't want that one? Let's try another one. Under the dissolve folder, we have several dissolve. Let's pick this one for instance. There you go. We have deep to black. There. We have several transitions. It all depends on what you want to achieve and how you want to apply the transitions. So these are beautiful transitions to help your video look more polished and professional. Okay? There are many transitions to choose from. If you want to customize your transitions even further, you can click on the transition and navigate your effect control panel right here. You just navigate it. Here you have more access. You can take control of your transition right here. Even from here, you can click the edges of the transition and drag to adjust the length or to reduce it. It all depends on your creativity. Okay, let me open that right there. Okay, that was fast. From here you can adjust as long as you want, and there you go. From here you can even choose the alignment. You can either make it start at cut. This is how it looks like. You can make it end at cut. This is how it looks like. Or you can probably, most people prefer center. So you just center your transition and there you have it. And that's it. By following these steps, You can easily add transitions to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Remember to experiment with different types of transition to find the one that works best for your video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.